this is me, Jack. I like to sleep in late. Don't worry, I have a very good friend. He always wake me up on time. Let me introduce for you. His name is Billy. Come on, Billy, say hello. He's 8 years old now. In our home, Dad and Mom are very like him. He came to my house on my birthday. He didn't know anything at first, just like a baby. Dad said he was still young and needed to grow up. Therefore, I began the journey of growing up with Billy.
Jack, I think Billy is hungry.
I know.
Jack, Billy seems unhappy.
He's not happy. I play games with him.
Jack, Billy look like sick.
I am most afraid of taking medicine for injection, so I must take good care of him. I can also teach him various actions through the app. Soon, Billy grew up. He grows up so fast that he's as old as me. Come on, Billy! Can play all kinds of games with me. He understood what I said. Billy, sit down. Stand up. We are doing push-ups. My friend heard Billy insisted that I bring him out. So today, I took Billy out to meet new friends. Oh, by the way, be sure to wear a cool bracelet. I will just wave my arms and Billy will listen to me. If switch the positioning function on the wristband with Billy will follow me wherever given activities. It's really so cool. Hey Billy, show it to everyone. The day's outdoor activity is nice ending. Billy, you let me know more friends. Billy, it's so nice to have you. Smart and amusing, be there with you, always.
And the skies are not cloudy.